Scientists have discovered the ozone layer had a large hole, but it is repairing itself. This shows Earth's atmosphere has a remarkable ability to heal.
Did you know that the massive hole in the ozone layer is healing itself and will fully recover by 2066? This is proof that humanity can save Earth. Back in 1985, scientist Joe Farman discovered a giant hole over Antarctica. Our atmospheric shield against dangerous UV rays was severely collapsing. The culprit was CFCs from fridges, ACs, and spray cans. Rising into the atmosphere, they released chlorine that aggressively destroyed ozone molecules. In 1987, history was made. Nations worldwide united to sign the Montreal Protocol, strictly banning CFCs to stop further atmospheric damage. And it worked. By late 2025, reports confirmed the hole shrank by 30% from its peak, with toxic atmospheric chemicals dropping significantly. Even when illegal CFC emissions were detected in 2018, global monitoring quickly exposed it, forcing emissions back down by 2021. The future is bright. Ozone will heal globally by 2040, over the Arctic by 2045, and fully restore over Antarctica by 2066. This proves that when humanity listens to science and stands united, we have the power to heal our planet and overcome any crisis.